Sarah.
Sahih al-Bukhari.
Sarah, you have more toys than me. It's not fair.
Muskan, you already have so many toys. Look at all these.
But I want even more toys. It's not fair.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, Mommy.
Muskan! What happened? Why are you so angry?
Mommy, Muskan wants more toys. Because she thinks she doesn't have enough.
Muskan, my darling. Let's talk about something very important. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Wealth is not blessed for him who seeks out greed. He is like one who goes on eating, but hunger is not satisfied."
Mommy, what does that mean?
Let me explain. Muskan, imagine you have a big plate of cookies. If you keep eating more and more, you might not feel full, right? You just keep wanting more.
That's right. The Hadith means that if we are always wanting more toys, or more of anything, we won't be truly happy. We will always feel like we need something else.
So, if Muskan wants all the toys in the world, she'll still feel like she needs more?
Exactly. According to the Hadith, happiness comes from being grateful for what we have, inshallah, not from having more and more.
Muskan, look at this little plant. It needs just the right amount of water and sunshine to grow. Too much water won't make it grow faster.
And if we give it too much water, it might drown and not grow well.
I get it. Just like the plant, if I keep wanting more toys, it won't make me happier.
And sharing our toys and being thankful to Allah for what we have makes everything better.
I think I understand now. I don't need more toys to be happy. I can enjoy and be thankful to Allah for the ones I have.
And we can share our toys with each other and have even more fun, inshallah.
Mashallah, Muskan and Sarah, we're so proud of you. Remember, being grateful to Allah and sharing brings true happiness, inshallah. Not wanting more and more.
And next time, if you feel like you want more toys, just remember the Hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Sarah, let's play together with all our toys.
Yes. And let's make up new games, inshallah. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.